Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to use emojis and text suggestions in Windows 11 or 10. This is a great feature. You can see I already used some emojis. When I'm writing, you can see that we have text suggestion and also emojis. For example, dog, cat, also horse. You can see I get text suggestion and also emojis on my keyboard when I'm typing on my physical keyboard. So you can see we will turn this feature on right now. So to turn on this feature, click on start menu and then click on settings. Whenever you open the settings up, then go to the time and language and then click on language and region, and then scroll down, click on typing. So here you can see show text suggestion when typing on the physical keyboard. So you need to turn this feature on. I already turned it on. When I make it off, you can see that I don't have any text suggestion or emoji. So I will turn it on back. Now you can see that it's working well. So this was the video about text suggestion and emoji. Hope you like it. Subscribe to my channel. Goodbye. Have a nice time.